Welcome to our instructional video on using the power meter in the itPRO app for the IT2 transformer. The power meter is an essential tool for showing how much of the transformer's capacity is being used and how much is still available. This is crucial during the installation process and for troubleshooting any potential overloads or shorts. To access the power meter, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the itPRO app and connect to your transformer. Step 2. Tap the menu button in the top left corner. Step 3. Select Power Meter from the pop-out menu. While the lights are on, the power meter will display key information, such as how many watts are available, how many watts are being used, the percentage of full capacity, and amps reading. A handy trick for determining the power usage of each zone on your IT2 transformer is to turn on one zone at a time and then check the power meter. This way you can see exactly how much power each zone is consuming. That's it! Now you're equipped to ensure your IT2 transformer can handle everything you're connecting to it.